Hey, Sora, over here. I saved you a seat. It's the best one. Perfect shade, soft breeze, zero ants. I checked.
Wow, you checked for ants? That's new. Usually your perfect seat includes at least 3 surprise insects.
I'm improving. I'm becoming more responsible, more adult-like.
Alex, yesterday you tried to cut a banana with your dorm key.
I didn't want to dirty a knife.
That's not how adulthood works.
Fine. Anyway, hello everyone. Welcome back to Ready Talk, your friendly place to practice English through fun, natural conversations.
Yes, we use simple, clear English so beginners can listen easily, understand comfortably, and learn naturally, just like chatting with friends.
And today's topic is bananas. Not one banana, not 2 bananas, but eating bananas every day.
Alex is very excited. I can hear it.
Of course, bananas are amazing. Smooth, sweet, yellow happiness.
You sound like you're advertising bananas.
I would be an excellent banana ambassador.
Okay. Let's start the conversation before Alex becomes a banana himself. So, Alex, explain. Why do you eat bananas every day?
Easy answer, because bananas are the perfect food. They're sweet, cheap, healthy, and they come in their own natural wrapper.
That's true. Bananas are convenient.
More than convenient, bananas are like nature's energy bar.
Wow, you're really passionate.
Of course, my day starts like this. Wake up, stretch, eat banana, become human.
So you're not human before the banana?
No, before the banana, I'm basically a potato.
Fair enough.
What about you, Sora? Do you eat bananas every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 or 4 times a week. Bananas are great, but I like mixing things up. Bananas today, apples tomorrow, yogurt the next day.
So you're a breakfast explorer.
Exactly. But I do love bananas, especially when they are the perfect level of ripeness. Not too green, not too brown.
Yes, the banana sweet spot.
And if they're too brown, I make banana bread.
Fancy.
Not really. It's just mixing everything in a bowl and hoping it doesn't burn.
What's your favorite stage of banana? Green, yellow, speckled, brown?
Yellow with a few brown spots. Sweet, but not mushy.
Ah, yes, the perfect student banana.
What does that mean?
It's like students during finals, tired but still doing their best.
Actually, that sounds accurate.
My favorite is plain yellow. Simple, classic, reliable. Bananas don't judge you. They're always there.
Are we still talking about bananas or friends? You say bananas give you energy. Is that true?
Yes, one time I ate a banana before running and I ran 30% faster.
Are you sure it wasn't the music you were listening to?
No, definitely the banana.
The banana made you fast.
Yes, bananas are powerful. Athletes eat bananas all the time.
That's because they're full of potassium.
Exactly, and I need potassium because...
Because you're always tired?
Yes.
You know, bananas can help with mood. They have tryptophan, which helps you feel happier.
So you're telling me bananas are not just food, they're emotional support?
Kind of, yes.
That explains everything.
What do you mean?
On the days I don't eat a banana, the world looks darker.
Alex, that's dramatic.
But true.
So how do you eat your bananas? Just plain?
Mostly plain, yes, but sometimes I get creative.
Oh no. Whenever you say creative, I get scared.
Hey, I have good ideas sometimes.
Sometimes, not always.
Okay, so here are my banana styles. 1, plain banana, classic. 2, banana with peanut butter, delicious. 3, frozen banana slices, like healthy ice cream. 4, banana and cereal, breakfast magic. 5, banana sandwich, bread, banana, boom.
Banana sandwich.
Yes, it's real. Bread plus banana plus peanut butter equals happiness.
That actually sounds good.
See, I'm a banana genius.
I like making smoothies. Banana plus milk plus honey. Easy and yummy.
Yes, banana smoothies are so good.
And banana pancakes. Just mash a banana, add egg, mix, fry.
So simple. Even I can do that.
Especially you. It's basically banana plus egg, your two favorite foods.
It's like the universe made that recipe just for me. But sometimes bananas get too brown.
Yes, the sad banana stage.
The "why are you still in my kitchen" stage.
But brown bananas are perfect for baking.
Or smoothies.
Or freezing.
Or hiding behind something so you don't feel guilty for not eating them.
Been there. Do you have any banana fail stories? I know you do.
Ugh, yes. One time I put a banana in my backpack without thinking. Then I forgot about it.
Oh no.
Yes, after 1 week, the banana became a crime scene.
What did it look like?
A sad, brown, mushy puddle in the bottom of my bag.
Ew.
I know. I threw the whole backpack away.
You didn't clean it?
You can't clean banana sadness, Sora.
Wow. Okay, my banana fail. One morning I was in a hurry and tried to peel a banana too fast. It shot out of my hand and flew across the kitchen.
Laughs loudly. A flying banana.
Yes, it hit the floor and made a thump. I just stared at it and said, I give up.
Bananas can be dangerous weapons.
Only in your hands.
How many bananas do you buy at one time?
Usually a big bunch, sometimes 2 bunches.
2 bunches? How many bananas is that? Maybe 12 to 14?
Every week?
Every 3 or 4 days.
Alex, that's a lot of bananas.
I know. I am basically a monkey.
You said it, not me.
The grocery store workers recognize me. One cashier said, "Bananas again?" I said, "My body is 40% banana."
That sounds accurate.
Bananas really are perfect for university students.
Yes, cheap, fast, healthy, and they don't need cooking.
Perfect for people like me who fail at cooking.
Yes, very perfect.
And you can eat them anywhere. Walking to class? Banana. Studying in the library? Banana. Crying during midterms? Banana.
Bananas for every emotion. You know, bananas come in many kinds around the world.
Really?
Yes, small sweet bananas, big firm bananas, red bananas, cooking bananas.
Red bananas?
Yes, they exist. They're sweeter than regular bananas.
Now I want to try one.
Maybe someday we can travel and try all kinds of bananas.
A banana world tour.
Only you would suggest that. But seriously, don't you ever get bored?
No, bananas never betray me.
Alex, it's a fruit.
And a friend.
You are too dramatic.
If I ever got stranded on an island, I'd want bananas there.
Yes, bananas and someone who can cook.
Fine, you can come too.
How kind. Well, Sora, that was a great conversation about eating bananas every day.
Yes, very fun, very strange, but fun.
Bananas are important.
We hope today's conversation on Ready Talk helped you practice simple English in a natural, enjoyable way.
If you liked this episode, please support our channel. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever button you see, press it gently. Bananas don't like violence.
Yes, be kind, be soft, be banana-like.
And come back next time for more easy English conversations with us.
I'm Alex.
I'm Sora.
And this is Ready Talk. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.